Hey guys, happy. Why, why do I keep forgetting what day it is? Okay, never mind. Short video. I just want to tell you that last night I saw an independent film. Okay, an American independent film made by a guy named Alan Ungar or Ungar. If I mispronounce your name, I apologized. Okay, so it's an independent film and it's really good. It's fun, it's entertaining, it's an action crime comedy. Okay, it's about this crime boss who he's a criminal boss. Okay, and he has a son who seems to be, not on his caliber. So before he passes the torch to him, he wants his son to become basically a man. Okay, someone who can stand up for himself and someone who's tough and who can manage this whole criminal organization that he has. So he puts his son together with a hired hitman on a hit together with his son, hoping that his son would man up and become like him one day. So yeah, it's basically this. It's kind of a father-son bonding story. The son tries to prove himself for the dad so that the dad can look up to him and say, wow, I'm so proud of you, son. And yeah, it's pretty fun. It's entertaining, very, very well made, knowing that it's a very low budget. Okay, and it has action sequences, it has good slow-mo sequences, the best that they can do with that budget. They achieved it, and it's a great job. So I praise the director, Alan Ungar, for directing a masterclass in the in the low-budget film category. It's a terrific job. It's very hard to make something entertaining in a very tight budget, so that's why I applaud the guy. So yeah, so it's basically like Rain Man meets Hitman's Bodyguard, something like that, and it's fun. I think you'll enjoy it, and it's called London Calling. Okay, London Calling 2025. So you can stream it online in Google or download it. It's in the internet. You can just search it up. London Calling. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, that's it. And hey, good afternoon, good evening, and that's it. Ciao. Oh yeah, I forgot. For those that are wondering, I have Instagram. It's called. My Instagram account is Lorenzo Veloso, with another O, additional O. So Lorenzo Veloso. Okay. Yeah. Follow me, and if you're interested, and yeah, I'm also a director. So if you want to collab in a movie, you need a director to direct your script. Okay, or you're on a budget, you can message me. Okay, message me here on TikTok or in YouTube or in my Instagram. I have Instagram. Just follow me there. And yeah, that's it. Ciao.